Back here working on this Emerson Ar-171. The tuning mechanism uses a drive pulley and a belt. It was missing this spring and pulley, which I have recreated out of a paper clip and 3D printed the spring. So it's going to fit right there. And when it's in and installed, it will push back up on the belt so it will keep it tight. So we're going to reinstall the tuner knob here mechanism off of the faceplate, and we'll go from there. And we're back here on this Emerson Ar-171. We're going to do a little bit of alignment here. We're going to peak the IF. I've got it set up. I've got my input on my 6A7 tube, my ground hook to the chassis. Got my tone in here. And now we're going to tweak the IFs. Doesn't matter on this one in what order, it just says to tweak them. We're going to tweak for maximum output. Actually, they were pretty close because I had messed with them a little bit before I started with the recording and got them pretty close. So that's the IF alignment. Now we have to go for the oscillator and the antenna alignment. There. So that's a bit off.
Not only is the NFL coming front and center, but at a certain point, I think in the early part of this show,
I adjusted the oscillator trimmer and the broadcast antenna trimmer and those two settings there, making sure we are set. So there we go. That is the alignment of it. The set is still not as sensitive as it could be. It could have a weak tube. This pattern on the front end that we're supposed to be able to adjust is frozen, and that could be part of the issue. I'm not going to mess with it because I'm afraid I'll break it. So right now the set is performing pretty well. During the daytime I'm not picking up much. We'll check again later tonight and see what we pick up. And then we're going to put this all back together and see what we pick up tonight.
No, that doesn't sound good. I'm moving on. Like my stomach is turned by the idea of me needing to twist your arm to want to be around me. If the answer is no, cool, I can handle that. Onward we go. So how does that apply to the National Football League, or any sport for that matter? I tend
apologize, buddy. Who? Oh, that's it. Oh, yeah, sure. Yes, sir. No, sir, I'm afraid not. Yeah, thanks anyway. You bet. Yeah, good, bye. Well, that does it. Who was? That guy who was in here the other day, you remember that Alfred P. Morgan or whatever it was? Oh, when he was? Wanted to buy us a drink. He's celebrating. Huh? His old friend Maud, he just found her. 8 a.m. the next morning, we checked with the personnel department. But it was scheduled.
Around that, scenario, because that leads me to the point that you're getting to. If the 6 games comes out, everybody has a response. Especially the National Football League, who then ends up appealing that ban. So the 6th game comes down. Now you can pick up your story where it was. But I just wanted to set up where we were a week ago when we had that conversation.
So there you have it, the Emerson AR-171 redone for your pleasure. We're glad you joined us for part 2 of this. It was a short video, but we didn't have much more to do on it after we did the other parts in part 1. But there it is, really nice looking radio, good replacement dial cover. And I'm not going to plug where I got it from, but y'all can figure that out. And away we go. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.